Hey everyone, I'm currently editing right now here at my office. And andito ang aking bunso. Say hi to people. Nga pala si Bula, ang bunso ko. Anyway, record lang ang video. I just want to share something. Right now, I feel guilty kasi I was listening to a podcast while editing kanina. And meron ako na pick up doon na word, which is yung shopping trap. So, nasa shopping trap ako recently, these past few weeks, kasi parang panayang add to cart ko, panayang checkout ko ng mga props, panayang paggawa ko ng mga props, baby costumes, gowns, and everything. I've forgotten how I used to be. So, ang sabi kasi dun sa podcast, tatagalugin ko na lang kasi English yan. Sabi doon, tatagalugin parang kumaga, maging photographer ka na hindi ka natatrap sa mga bagong gamit. Like props, gowns, costumes, and everything. Kasi kami mga newborn photographer is very guilty about it. Kasi nga, once may makita kami magandang props, cute na props, bibili namin yan, or pag-iipunan namin, tapos bibili namin yan. We make sure na magkaroon kami ng booking para mabili yan. Which is wrong. Kasi I started with nothing, as in isang basket lang, tapos ilang wraps ng baby, tapos paunti-unti. Kumbaga, kailangan kong balikan yung dati na sabi kasi doon, don't be a photographer na nagre-rely with something new na parang hindi magiging maganda yung photo mo kapag hindi bago yung mga props, costumes, or gowns mo.